नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपलं यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहोत महा टेटच्या संदर्भात सिलेबस। द टेट टीचर ॲप्टिट्यूड इंटेलिजंट टेस्ट सिलेबस फॉर 2024 is designed to assess candidate aspirate to teach in Maharashtra. It is emphasizes evaluating their teaching aptitude, reasoning abilities, and subject knowledge. The syllabus typically including section on teaching methodology, child development, and pedagogy, general awareness, reasoning skill, and basic proficiency in Marathi and English language. Focus on your building competent educator. The test ensure candidate possess the necessary cognitive and instructional skill to excel in teaching roles. Familiarity with the TIT syllabus and strategy preparation are circular to performing well in TIT and securing a teaching position. TET examination and syllabus 2025. The teacher ability and intelligence test means TIT syllabus typically focus on assessing teaching aptitude, general intelligence, and subject specific knowledge. Below is the detailed breakdown of the syllabus for TIT 2024. TET teaching aptitude syllabus. Founding of education. Subpoint is educational philosophy and psychology, child development and pedagogy, learning theories and methods. Then teaching methodology. Subpoint principle of teaching, classroom management, evaluation and assessment techniques. Then ICT in education, basic computer knowledge, use of technology and teaching. Then professional ethics, roles and responsibility of teacher and ethical behaviors in education. TET general intelligence and reasoning syllabus. Verbal reasoning, analogies, classifications, series computation, coding, decoding. Non-verbal reasoning, puzzles, patterns and figures, data sufficiency. Logical reasoning, syllogism, statement conclusion, assumption and arguments. TET language professional syllabus. English, grammar, tense, preposition, article, etc. Vocabulary, synonyms, idioms, phrases, comprehension and phrases based question. Then regional and language. For example, Marathi, grammar and vocabulary, probable expression, then sentence formatting and compression. TET subject specific knowledge syllabus. Questions based on the subject adopt, for example, mathematics, science, social science, etc. Then focus on concept, pedagogy and practical applications. Then TET general knowledge and curriculum affairs syllabus. National and international events, educational policies and reforms, social and cultural heritage. Then next topic is TET numerical ability syllabus are arithmetics, percentage, ratio and properties. Then time, work and distance. Next simplification and approximation. Data interpretation, graphics and chart, statistical and analytic. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.